Tokyo, the city I love. Between the showers, we can feel the humidity ramping up. I once heard Tokyo described as a place where millions of people are all looking for a place to sit down. Well, in a few weeks, those millions of people will all be looking for a place to escape the heat. The weather is extreme and the streets are crowded. In those moments, just getting from A to B becomes a battle. But when I love Tokyo, which is most of the time, it is on days like today when I can slip into the side streets, grab a coffee, do some people watching, and get home before the rush hour begins. There will be moments when the city feels more like a treadmill slanted uphill, but today it is just me and my camera. I work my way through the maze. The clouds roll in, but on this afternoon the rain never comes. It just gets more humid. It will rain the entire weekend after this. Such is the rainy season. Intense, unpredictable.